Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Charge the speaker and turn it on, then enable Bluetooth and location on your phone. Once done, open Bluetooth settings and initiate a scan. This finds nearby devices. Make sure to move systematically. Check the most recent rooms you used the speaker in. As you scan, watch signal strength or device names for any matches. If you see the speaker name, pause and prepare to approach it for a clearer connection. Now you focus on narrowing the source. Use your phone's RSSI/signal indicator or a Bluetooth Finder app to watch signal strength rise as you approach. This tells you direction and distance. If the speaker has a companion app, open it and use any locate or ping feature. These often trigger a sound or LED. Once you're close, put the speaker into pairing mode or play an audio test so the sound confirms its exact spot. Move slowly and sweep the room. Finish by pairing and playing audio so you confirm the speaker's identity and functionality. Once connected, rename it and save it in your paired devices so you can reconnect quickly. Make sure to note or mark where it was found to prevent repeat searches. If you still can't find it, try the main troubleshooting step. Power cycle or factory reset the speaker, forget it on your phone, and restart Bluetooth. This clears stale connections and often restores discoverability. If that fails, retrace steps and widen your search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.